Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trending Now. I'm your host Sangamita, and in today's video I have so much news for all you K-pop fans out there. But before we get started, please make sure you like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube page, Radio 1 International. Now before we get started with the K-pop news, let's talk about this one viral clip that's going all over the internet. Justin Bieber on SZA's tour. Now this is Justin Bieber's first time on tour on stage after the birth of his son. Now there's this one clip that's circulating the internet where Justin Bieber has his eyes closed and he's singing. He looks like he's not really there, and SZA goes in and kind of holds his chin, and then he seems to come back, and then Justin Bieber kisses SZA on her hand. Now, this clip has gone viral, and for so many reasons. Now, I want to talk about the two main things that people are talking about on the internet. One is how Justin Bieber does not look well, like he's unwell, he's going through something, and SZA had to sort of pull him back to earth. And so a lot of fans are just concerned about Justin Bieber, but there are also some people who think this is very creepy on Justin Bieber's part, the way he was kissing SZA's hand and the way he was just behaving. They found it very unsettling. Now, I do not know what is happening with Justin Bieber. I don't think there's enough grounds for me to say anything about that. But you guys let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below. Next up, let's talk about Blackpink's comeback. So all of the Blackpink members, as you guys already know, went on their little solo ventures, and now they're all back together for their Deadline tour. They released their teaser for this tour, and a lot of fans are just so disappointed because the teaser gave us nothing. It is just the word Deadline, like 3D letters popping out of the screen, and it's pink and glittery, and a lot of people are like, this has been done before for the Born Pink teaser. So everyone is just like, that's it, no more. This just looks like a teaser for a teaser. This gave us nothing. But they're gonna be back together for their Deadlines tour, so stay tuned to Trending Now for more updates on that. Now the entire K-pop industry seems to be making a comeback as a whole. Now this is because there is mandatory military service that every South Korean man has to do before the age of 30. So a lot of BTS members were doing that, and not just BTS members, a lot of K-pop idols and actors. But there are so many people who are being discharged, like for example EXO's Sehun, he's being discharged, so there's going to be a comeback there. And the most exciting one, BTS is going to have a full reunion because all of the members will be done by June. Jin also spoke about this reunion on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. So that is very exciting news for all you K-pop fans out there. So stay tuned to Trending Now. I'll keep you posted on this. Thank you so much for watching today's Trending Now. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you like, share and comment, and it would mean so much to me if you subscribe to our YouTube page, Radio 1 International. I'll see you guys in the next one.
94.3 Radio 1.